Let's compare two decimal numbers, 0.5 and 0.001. One helpful way to compare decimal numbers is to write them with the same number of decimal places. Let's write 0.5 with 3 decimal places, 0.500. Now we can easily compare it with 0.001. Let's visualize these numbers on a number line. Here's our number line from 0 to 1. 0.5 is halfway between 0 and 1, while 0.001 is very close to 0. Another way to compare these numbers is to convert them to fractions. 0.5 is equal to 5/10, which can be written as 500 over 1,000. 0.001 is equal to 1,000th, or 1 over 1,000. Now we can easily compare these fractions. 500 over 1,000 is clearly greater than 1 over 1,000. Let's see how many times larger 0.5 is than 0.001. If we divide 0.5 by 0.001, we get 500 over 1, which equals 500. Let's visualize this difference with rectangles. If this small rectangle represents 0.001, then 0.5 would be represented by a rectangle 500 times larger. Therefore, we can conclude that 0.5 is larger than 0.001. In fact, it's 500 times larger.